Guys, my name is Berry and this message is for men. So, as women, once are meant not only to look good but to smell good too. Mahirap na, baka ganito mangyari sa atin. That's why we have a Jack Cooling Masculine Wash. So, this is a counterpart to our feminine wash para sa mga kababaihan. So, again, this is a body wash that's specifically designed for men's private part. So, sabon siya, hindi siya iniinom, hindi siya kinakain. And of course, this is pH balance and this is specifically designed for men's private area and specifically formulated to fight fungal infection, bacteria, and fight unwanted odor on male's private part. What's good about this is that it has a cooling effect. Kaya naman, whenever you use this Jack Cooling Masculine Wash, mafe-feel mo talaga that you will feel refreshed and cooled every time that you use this. I'm speaking from experience because I'm also using feminine wash. Mahirap na baka maiwanan din ako ng jowa ko. Kaya get it here on my yellow basket and try this masculine wash.